Hi guys, we are in Southern California in Joshua Tree National Forest, and today we are cooking our traditional Filipino breakfast. So come on with me. Hi guys, we made it to California. I know you haven't seen me in a while, but we are getting back into the cooking. So we are in Joshua Tree National Park out in Southern California. It is a little chilly, but we're still gonna go ahead and cook. We're gonna go into the car and get all the stuff that we need. Let's go! Eggs, garlic, bacon. Let's put these down over here. Leave that there for now. And hot dogs. Little juice. Little thirsty. Get those veggies in. So the basics of Filipino breakfast is rice, some fried eggs, and your choice of meat. So today we have bacon and hot dogs, and we're gonna make octopus hot dogs and bacon, candied bacon, and candied hot dog octopus. Candied octopus hot dogs. Yeah. But basically Filipino breakfast is garlic fried rice and some fried eggs and whatever you have left over from last night, some kind of meat source. But that's what we're gonna do today. So we're just gonna get the bacon started. Light that up. Right, we got the bacon going. Now we are gonna get the hot dogs ready for the octopus style. I cut them just a little bit, so when they actually cook, they'll open up like that. You'll see. So I did say Filipino breakfast, but if you guys could tell, the sun's going down. So you guys know me, I love breakfast, and I could eat breakfast any time of the day. And it's Filipino breakfast. So any time of the day, eat it. And it's really simple. Really simple. Bacon just about done. Check out the hot dogs. Yeah, they're opening up like little octopus. That's cute, right? You gotta make sure that the pan is really hot. Put a little oil in it. I use the bacon fat from what we were cooking. and cover it right away. Keeps the heat in, it'll cook the top. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put just like a tablespoon of water. Because it's so hot, once the water hits it, it'll steam. You cover it up right away. So you can see it's already cooking up on top, but put a little water. And that steam will cook the top of the egg, and you are all set. Put these eggs on the side. So I'm moving it over to a non-stick pan because we're going to use honey. And then we want to use this pan for the fried rice. All you need for Filipino fried rice is garlic. Alright, so I got honey here, some raw honey. Got my spoon. I'm going to turn this on high heat. And then we're just going to put the honey on top of this stuff. Going to give a nice little sweetness to the meats. What I call candied bacon. It's going to be a nice balance to the saltiness of the fried rice. And just mix it up and you cook it down until it gets really nice and thick and sticky. So leftover rice, just plain white rice, or you can make a fresh batch. But you got the garlic all nice and roasted. Double action, you guys. Made those eggs, put that right on top. Right, let's go to the table. Follow me. Get your plate. Get you some rice. Get you the egg. This is the best part of it. You break the egg. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Look how cute those little hot dogs are. They're called Filipino Octopus hot dogs. I don't know if they're really Filipino, but that's what I grew up eating. And some bacon. Okay, let's try it out. Bacon. Wow. You can use honey, you can use maple. You can use sugar if you want, but you don't want to use sugar. Try the hot dog. I know a lot of you are like, rice for breakfast? Rice with hot dogs? Trust me, anybody I fed this to never went wrong. For those of you who do have Filipino breakfast, tell me what you eat for Filipino breakfast. What kind of meat? You could have pork, get a steak, whatever. Spam. Spam is a big one. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Don't forget to click the thumbs up if you like the video. Show me some love. And click that subscribe button as well at the end. And I will see you next time. Bye. Okay, we are in Palm Springs, and our first stop for food is Filipino food. That's fun, right? So we got lechon kalaway, kawali. We got adobo, pork adobo. We got some rice and eggs. Filipino breakfast. That's rice and eggs. We're gonna make that our video, okay? And lumpia vegetables with some vinegar. Nom, 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 nom. So this is the inspiration for tomorrow's video. For the video, Filipino food. Yeah?